learn how to create a news report-like thing using iMovie, first you go to iMovie and then create a new project. You probably should select movie. Here you will be taken to a screen that looks like this. Firstly, you will need to import some media. It will take you default to your documents. If you need to change that, that's alright. But for now, I have all my documents here. First, let's import what you want as your base video. I will choose this one, which is me sitting on a chair talking. And now to import another file to put in the top corner of the screen, like a news report, you should import another file. I will import this file of me playing piano. Now, in order to layer them on top of each other, you probably should first drag out what you want as your base video and leave that there, and then take your second video and have them start at the exact same time, or wherever you want it to appear. Right now, they appear at the same time, which basically means that the top one will always be on top. But in order to make them appear simultaneously, simply select Picture in Picture. This will make it so that what you have selected on the top will become smaller. You can resize this as you see fit. I will resize it to about this large. Here you should see that there's like dissolve. You can have dissolve, zoom, swap. You can experiment with those if you want. Dissolve will usually mean that the top picture fades away. And in order to prevent that from happening, simply change that to 0. Now you should probably also change you should probably also click on the crop button. Right now the style is fit. What this means is that if you have like text on the borders or like something in the borders, it will probably be cropped off in order to like best fit your video. But if you have like text, then you don't want any part of your top video to be cut off. So just press crop to fill in order to do that, and you can see it gives you like these corner triangles, and it just means that it fills the whole space instead of like cropping it. Right now these medias aren't aligned perfectly. If you have your news report, you probably want both your medias to align perfectly. But for now, I will just resize this so they're basically equal. And this will give you, now if you drag your line all the way to the front, it should show up kind of like this. If you play this right now, there's two audios playing at the same time. If your top clip is silent, there's no problem. If your top clip is not silent, simply detach audio and then delete it. And now you should end up with something where only the bottom clip is speaking and the top is just moving silently. And now, if you wish, you can also add in a credit screen. I find that scrolling credits works the best, so just drag it to the end of whatever clip you want. Probably should drag it to the main clip, and then press on this to edit it. Title, I will say, is just credits or like sources, doesn't matter. Now you can just enter the source however your teacher wants it, like source 1. Or you can do like these 2 columns, it really does not matter. You'll see that they give you a lot of these, and it will keep this way unless you delete some. So to delete, just highlight and then press delete. But for now, I just want it to scroll a bit, so it will end up like this. And now just, in order to view your finished project, just drag your arrow all the way to the top and press play. Probably full screen as well. And you can see how the credits turn out by it just turned out like this. You can also change like the timing of the credits so that they go by faster or slower, however you like it. And that's basically the end of how you want to do it. If you wanted to add captions, you could also use titles as well. Probably like the lower and like layer on top, and then like maybe layer like them in 15-second segments where you enter all of what you're saying into here and it will just pass by. It might be a hassle and will probably take a lot of time, so just try to speak clearly. And that's the end of it, really.